Fly, leave me alone. Come on, one side is the pregnant cat, another side is the fly. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. GooSky E2, which is basically an S2 inside. I've just shown you my settings. Let's fly it and see how it goes. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So right now I am in 6G mode. All right, and it's really nice and docile, very beginner friendly, but be careful, it can definitely take a lot of speed. All right, so that was it. Let's try idle up 1. You see it jumps a little and jumps up a bit when I go back to the idle up 0. I mean normal mode. Idle up 1 jumps down. I've shown you those settings and I told you it will jump down, and the settings are good. Oh, nice. So flips are really nice and very smooth, as you can see, and flight is nice and agile in 3D mode. As you can see, it can definitely take a lot of speed. So basically, you can perform 3D. Fly, leave me alone. Come on, one side is the pregnant cat, another side is the fly. So that was idle up 1. This is idle up 2. So you have more speed on the head. You don't want to mess with this bee, man. So you don't want to do that on scale helicopters, but you can enjoy a lot of speed in 3D mode. And now back to normal mode and landing. So these are my settings and they are doing really mint. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have fun, people.
Crash, rebuild, bounce back, that's what I do. Crash, rebuild, bounce back quick. We in the dirty south, ain't no one slick.